Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this live streaming of mine once again. And in today's video, I'm gonna predict about the S&P 500, the Nasdaq 100 futures, the US Tech 100, copper, gold, silver, natural gas, Bitcoin and crude oil WTI. I'm gonna predict how all these commodities and indices are gonna behave today. So if you want to know how a particular index, how a particular commodity would behave today, keep watching this video. So here I am with my predictions once again. Astrological and numerological predictions. So first, let me start with S&P 500. S&P 500. So S&P 500 is currently trading at 6839. S&P 500 can test a level of 6820 today. Currently it is trading at 684244. It can test a level of 6820 today. 6820. Currently it is trading at 6844. So it can test a level of 6820. Second on my list is Nasdaq 100 futures. Nasdaq 100, you can buy it immediately. You can buy. Currently, Nasdaq 100 futures is trading at 24642 to 24,642. You can buy the Nasdaq 100 future right now. Yes, you can buy it just now. If you see, as we speak, the Nasdaq 100 futures has started going up. It is currently 24,652. And if you want to trade in US Tech 100, you can buy it now. It is currently trading at 24,700. Around, oh my god, it's 720 now. Okay, it's currently 723. So you can buy it at 24,700. 24700. Yes. So that is my prediction of the Nasdaq 100 futures, US Tech 100, S&P 500. Next on my list is copper. Copper is trading in the negative today. Trading in the red today. And copper can fall. Copper can fall to a level of $5.50 to $5.55. Somewhere in that range. Next on my list is copper and gold. Gold. If you want to buy gold today, you can buy it at a level of 4862. Currently it is trading at 4879. You can buy gold at a level of 4862 today. And if you want to buy silver, you can buy it at a level of $71.70. $71.70. Currently it is trading at $73.33. You can buy silver at $71.70. So that is where you have to buy. Next on my list is the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently trading at 67,400. Yes. And my prediction about Bitcoin is that Bitcoin can further fall. And it can fall to a level of $58,000. At a level of $95,000. When it went up from a level of 82,000, It was trading around 82,000 when I predicted that it will go up to a level of 95,000. At 95,000, I told you all, Bitcoin is going to test a level of $82,000, and it did exactly that. And then I told you all it can fall further, and it can fall to a level of $70,000, and it did. So, this is the kind of predictions I make, astrological and numerological predictions. Yes, astrological and numerological predictions about gold, silver, S&P 500, US Tech 100, Nasdaq 100 futures. So I have given you my view of silver and gold. And if you want to buy Bitcoin today, you can buy it at a level of 66,660. 66,660 would be the level. 66,660 would be the level at which you can buy Bitcoin today. Bitcoin. And natural gas. I have maintained my astrological and numerological view since natural gas was $4 and $4.50. I had told you all clearly it's gonna fall to a level of $2.90 and $2.99, somewhere in that region. And it happened exactly as I told you all. Copper, I am still very bullish. In spite of the copper falling today, I'm still very bullish. So this is my view about copper. But if you want to buy copper today, you can buy it at a level of $55.58. $5.58. This program is in English. So I'm not going to talk in Hindi, so please, those people, this is just for the American markets and the commodity markets in dollars. So I wouldn't be talking in Hindi right now. Sorry about that. Live talent. So that is my prediction regarding the indices. See, gold and silver have already started falling from the levels at which I made the predictions about silver and gold falling. Currently, you see, you can rewind the video and check. "12 noon, live talent. I come at 12 noon for the Indian markets, 12 noon. Every day 12 noon. So that is my prediction regarding the American markets and the commodity markets. Crude oil WTI, still I'm very bullish on it. Currently it is trading at 62.52, but I believe that my prediction about crude oil WTI is that in the coming few weeks and months, crude oil WTI can go to go up to a level of $67.50. I have been maintaining these predictions with y'all. Silver, I think, is going to consolidate. And I have been maintaining one prediction of mine which you all need to hear. Silver can test a level of $60 also. $60 also. So you see now, as we speak, silver has already started falling, and I have told you all to buy silver at a level of $71.70. Haven't I? It's currently trading at 72.61, 79. Now it's currently trading at 58, 72.59. Gold has already touched my target, 4862, just now. Please press the like button. Please press the like button. I just made these predictions in front of y'all. Please press the like button and share this video with your family and friends. Share and like this video. You can definitely share and like this video. Did you see what happened just now? I told y'all gold will fall to a level of 4862, and currently it is trading at 4868. It has gone up by $6. I still maintain my predictions. I don't change my predictions. Whether I am right or I am wrong, it doesn't matter, because I follow astrology and numerology. Yes. I've been doing this since the last 33 years now. And like I always say, that if you wish to know your future through astrology, and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, well, one must always try to live his or her best version of themselves, because there is only one life to live. There are no duplicates of a life. You will never get a chance to live this beautiful life once again. And if you want to enhance your luck in your life, if you want to boost your luck in your life, if you want to increase and improve your luck in your life, then I want to tell you all, I have several remedies for you. You know, these remedies which I'm talking about are a fusion of astrological remedies, Vastu remedies, and spiritual remedies which can be utilized by any person of any religion. And if you want me to pray for you, because prayer can move mountains. So if you want me to pray for your health, wealth, business, career, job, relationships, love relationships, marriage, married life, children, property, education, etc., 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 then also you may contact me. And if you are hell-bent on taking your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you may contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. My secretary, Mr. Kalidas, shall respond to you accordingly. So, astrology and numerology. Well, I came here live in front of y'all, and I have predicted about gold and silver today. And y'all saw what happened? Did y'all see? It happened exactly as I told y'all. Again, S&P 500 has fallen and it has breached my level of 6820. When I started the program, when I started this live streaming, S&P 500 was trading at 6844, and I had told you all that S&P 500 can fall to a level of 6820. Currently it is trading at 6800, 6798 to be precise. So that is the kind of predictions I make. Yes, that is the kind of predictions I make. So that is what I'm trying to tell you all, that the predictions which silver has already gone down to a level of 72.15. I have given you a level of 71.70. Thank you so much. Mr. Vijay Kumar, thank you so much. So this is what I wanted to tell you all about the markets. The markets, the markets have a very strange way of moving. Sometimes it's up and sometimes it's down. Yes, but you need to have some patience when your stocks fall, when your prices are much below that level, much below your cost price. You need to keep patience. This stock market demands patience. I'm telling you, if you have money and patience in your life, this market cannot defeat you. If you are adamant on getting profits from the stock market, and if you have the capital and the patience, as I say that, patience is something very important in this market. Without this virtue, you cannot survive in this market. You cannot. Stock market is a device of transferring the money from the impatient to the patient. This is what it does exactly. Some people lose money, some people earn money. And people who earn money are those people who have ample patience in them, who are inundated in patience. Yes, who are inundated with patience. They are the people who make money. Yes. Not people who, want to make a quick buck. No, this is not for you then. People think that you can make very fast money in the stock market, but easy come and easy go. Easy come and easy go. That is the simple formula. Easy come and easy go. If you earn $100,000 today, it's gonna go also. Because you will think that I will earn another 100,000 in that same way. And you'll keep trying and ultimately you'll lose that 100,000 also. And you lose your peace of mind as well. So don't try shortcuts in your life. Don't try shortcuts in your life. Slowly is the fastest way to success. Did you hear what I said? I said slowly is the fastest way to success. If you want to be successful, you need to be slow. Because a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step, and you have to take the second step, then the third step, then the fourth step. There are no elevators in life. No, you have to climb up the stairs. That is the way to see success in your life. And let me tell you one more thing, that you don't have to be great to get started. You don't have to be great. You don't have to be a Mr. Warren Buffett. You don't have to be a Mr. Bill Gates. You don't have to be, Elon Musk to start. But in order to become great, you have to start somewhere. So the thing is that you don't have to be great to get started, but you have to start to become great. Did you hear what I said? So there is always that moment in your life you will feel, oh, I'm afraid to start. I'm having that fear to start something, and you keep thinking that, oh, I may lose money. I may get embarrassed. What will people say? What will people think? What will people, people are gonna make fun of me. You'll always have this ideas, notions and feelings in you. But you have to overcome all these feelings and start taking action in your life. And you need to take action in spite of the distractions. There are many distractions today. The television, the Netflix, the YouTube. Yes, there are many distractions. The computer, the laptop, the iPad. So, these things are going to distract you, but you need to take action in spite of these distractions. You will face mass distractions. Mass. You will face weapons of mass distractions, and they will destroy you. You need to keep your focus intact in spite of these distractions. Yes, your friends, your near and dear ones, they will come and trouble you. They will start gossiping. They will start talking about their problems. They will start talking about what happened yesterday. But you don't have any luxury to listen to their gossips. No, they are here to gossip, and you are here to do your work, that greater work for which you have been chosen on this planet. You have been chosen on this planet to do a greater work. You might not realize why you have been chosen on this planet. You need to decipher that. You need to recognize that. You need to understand that. You need to ask yourself, what do you want in your life? You need to ask this question first in your life if you want to be successful. What do you want in your life? How badly do you want that thing in your life? And how much are you willing to suffer for it? Because every greatness comes with a price. You will have to pay a price to see greatness in your life. It doesn't come easy. It doesn't come easy. Because as I just said, that easy come and easy go. Easy come and easy go. That's it. So nothing is easy in this world. Success doesn't come overnight. It is a journey. It is a process. Similarly, in the markets, you need to keep investing. You need to earn money. You need to study. You need to do your own due diligence. You need to maintain patience. You need to have that money to back you up when you need to average down your cost price of a particular stock. Yes. And let me tell you that if you have patience and money in the stock market, then you are going to win in the stock market. There is no way you will lose money. You must be willing to wait and never keep all your eggs in one basket. Don't put all your money in one ETF. Don't put all your money in one stock. Don't put all your money in one mutual fund. Don't put all your money in a single commodity. Diversification is the mantra in the stock market. Diversification. And if you like a stock, if you think that stock, if you've done your own due diligence, if you have studied the balance sheet of that company, if you understand what that company is doing, if you understand the depth of that company in regard to their finances and their work, and if you are convinced about a particular company, you must then consult an expert and then ask their opinion about that particular stock and then invest the money. Just because I say something, that doesn't mean you will do it. No. Or if somebody else is telling you to buy a particular thing, you will do it. No. That's not the way to play the markets. And you must be willing to buy when the stocks are falling, not when the, you must have that courage to buy when those stocks which you believe in them are falling. You must be ready to buy them at that point in time. You must have the courage to buy them when they are falling. You can buy certain stocks when they are going up as well. That is another matter. That is something to be discussed in a different way. That is something to be addressed in a different way. Is copper a good buy at current levels for a month duration? No. $5.50 or $5 somewhere in that region. $5 and between $5.50 and $5.55 VSP Jaguar. So that is what I wanted to tell you all about. See, if you look at the screen every now and then you will definitely make a mistake. You will definitely suffer a loss. Definitely. If you are of that temperament where you panic very easily, this market is not for you. You need to have a sense of detachment in the stock market. Yes, detachment is the word. Detachment in the sense, you must be willing to see your money dwindling in the stock market. Notionally. Not in reality. Some people buy a particular stock at $100, suppose, for example. And then when it goes down to $80, they say, I've suffered a loss of $20. No, that is a notional loss. Because you haven't sold those stocks at $80. You are still holding them. You are still in the game. You are still in that game. When a stock falls from $100 to $80, some people tell me I have suffered a loss of $20. And that loss is notional. It is not a real loss. Because you haven't sold those stocks. And similarly, some people tell me after buying a stock at $100, the stock goes up to a level of 120. They say that we are making a profit of $20. No, that is also notional profit. Unless and until you exit that stock, you sell those stocks, you cannot say that you have made a certain profit or you have made a certain loss in the market. You cannot do that. And stop looking at your screen. Stop looking at your portfolio every now and then. That is the number one reason for people to book losses. Just invest and forget. Do your own due diligence first. Consult a stock market expert, and when you invest your money, then don't see that stock. And when your stocks fall, and if you are very much sure about that stock, if you are convinced that stock is a very strong stock, you can always average your cost price when it falls. What about BTC? I've already spoken about BTC. Oh my God, it almost went there, BTC. I said 66,666 and it made a low of 66,777. I just rewind this video MDX star. You will learn what predictions I have made. These predictions which I have made today, please just rewind the video and just see my accuracy level of my predictions regarding gold, silver, copper, natural gas, stocks, indices. You will understand what I have been telling you all. So that pretty much completes my video for today. Have a great day and a great night. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali.